My lovely child. More consistent joy is on the horizon for you, even though you still have some difficult days. When you are good, you are really good. Have you noticed that your ability to feel connected and happy continues to expand, while the lower feelings have stagnated? There is very little growth to your traumas, even though they still need to be eradicated. They are not thriving, they are affecting you less, while the good things are growing through you. Type yes if you agree. There is no need to be so accommodating all the time. Value your own time and energy. If you don't, no one else will. Making yourself available at all times is dangerous. You are leaving yourself open to being taken advantage of by those people who will take as much as they can get, all the while not respecting, honoring or valuing you or your contributions. Type yes if you agree with this. When you love yourself, you attract better. You let the universe know that you deserve the best by treating yourself well. Everything starts with how you feel about yourself. Feel worthy, feel valuable, feel special, feel deserving of receiving the best. It will happen to you. Type yes if you agree with this, and also subscribe the channel, and thank you for your